Welcome to the Adult Summer Reading Program for 2023. Every week this summer, we're going to bring you a new craft or video to enjoy. This week, we're going to talk about the Tiny Art Show. So, the Tiny Art Show, you will pick up a 3x3-inch canvas until Wednesday, June 28th at the circulation desk. Please ask for the Tiny Art Show canvas. You can use any medium, so acrylic paint, watercolor, you can glue some stuff on there, anything your imagination can come up with. For inspiration, this year's summer reading program theme is All Together Now. So artists are encouraged to return their canvases to the library by Thursday, June 29th, and the Tiny Art Show will be available from June 30th to July 31st for anyone to come in to view. Once the art show is over, you can retrieve your art until Friday, August 11th. And just to show you an idea, here is one that our circ person Autumn created, and it's just a penguin and a frog having a good time all together eating their pancakes. So that is the Tiny Art Show video. Thank you for joining us this week. Don't forget to pick up your craft kits, and there's still plenty of time to sign up for the Adult Summer Reading Program at rpl.readsquared.com. Thank you.